Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Yesterday we had a very active day in the markets. USDA came out with lower 2016-17 world and U.S. soybean carryout than the market anticipated. The question is, did we trade the actual number or did the machines trade the difference between what the trade was looking for and what the USDA actually came out? Some people thought that their demand numbers were a little bit high for both corn and soybeans, but again, the proof is in the trade. We traded almost 571,000 contracts of beans yesterday, which is equal to about 3 billion bushels of grain. So funds now long a little bit over 200,000 contracts of beans. Their record long is 241,000 contracts. So they've kind of loaded the boat on the beans and making a big play on the South American weather, and that demand shifts to the United States. The bulls feel that if we drop the South American crop a little bit more, if we raise the China demand a little bit more, then the bean carryout here in the United States for 16 and 17 will get smaller, and that prices will continue to work higher. The opposite is true in corn and wheat. Corn, they estimated the carryout 2.1 billion bushels. Private guesstimates are anywhere from 2.3 to 2.5, so it looks like that carryout is going to get bigger, and some people thought the USDA might have been a little bit anxious on their demand numbers on the corn side. We still have to watch the China corn reserve, and we still have to look at weather, and so far here in the U.S., spring weather for the corn is pretty ideal, and so that could offer some resistance to the marketplace. Over in the wheat, record world wheat stocks. Here in the United States, a carryout over 1 billion bushels. The private estimates are closer to 1.1 billion bushels. So again, there's really nothing bullish in the wheat market unless weather changes down the road. As far as the Midwest 6 to 10 day, it's normal to below temps, normal rains. 8 to 14 day is normal to above temps, but normal rain. So we're starting to see a little bit of concern about too much moisture in the eastern Midwest, allowing for plantings to move ahead. Farmers yesterday sold a record amount of beans in the United States. Brazil farmers sold 1 million tons. Argentina farmers sold 700,000 tons. So it was an active day on spec buying and fund selling. So I think this is a pretty good price for U.S. farmers to clean up their 15 beans, do some more selling in 16 beans, and do some selling in 17 beans. We can always buy some calls down the road if the weather turns warmer and drier this summer. So anyway, active day yesterday. Some traders in the beans are too scared to buy it and too scared to sell it. So it's going to be an interesting and volatile year for the bean market. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.